Sir.
You know what to do, right? You have to turn on your camera. Hello. Because I think that it's time to start because we wait for 10 minutes already. Yes? So guys, um, today is Friday. Yes. Our last days of class and then you have weekend. You're free.
Then another classes.
Yes, and you will rest, right? In that it is important you to rest. That's why this weekend we will try, right, not to have homeworks. Right, Khaled? Wake up, Khaled. We're in classes right now. Wake up. Uh, okay. Then I think that is missing just Hillary and also Wells.
Mister, sorry, pero se me fue la luz.
Yes. Okay, we have problems sometimes, right? So today, guys, we will start thanking our Lord, right, to give us one more opportunity to be together right here, be with health, right, to take care of our family and to give us uh, strength, right, to handle this situation. And that's why I'm gonna ask to, uh, okay, who wanna pray today? Who wants to pray today? Bayron? Okay, Bayron. We're gonna respect this moment, right? So close your eyes, put your hands together. Yes. And we're gonna listen to Bayron, right? Because he's gonna pray to us today. Yes?
Thank you, God, for our food, for our for the air to. Este how do you say respirar?
If you cannot, you may do it in Spanish. Yes.
Gracias, Señor, por la comida, por el aire que respiramos, por el agua y por todo, y por, lo- y por el agua. Y no nos dejes pasar el coronavirus. Amen.
Okay. Creo que es importante también dar gracias por cada uno de nosotros, ¿verdad? Por nuestra familia, ¿verdad? Por mantenernos con bien cada día. También interceder por nuestras familias, ¿verdad? Por la familia de nuestros compañeros, que estén bien, ¿verdad? Amén, amén. Entonces, now, eh, Gustavo, are you here or not? Wake up, Gustavo. Khaled as well. So, I need you to take out your notebooks first. Eh, and, Gabriela, are you here or not? Listen, guys, the people who is with your camera off, I'm gonna put it in the waiting room. Voy a poner las personas que estén con su cámara apagada en la sala de espera, ¿verdad? Porque ustedes saben que tienen que estar con su cámara encendida, ¿verdad? Y poniendo atención en clases. Entonces, Caleb, Cristian y Gabriela, por favor, ¿verdad? We're waiting for you because we need to see if you're working or not. Caleb, Cristian y Gabriela, ¿están aquí o no? Okay, I don't know what happened with these people, but
Se juegan o se durmieron.
yes, probably. Okay, guys.
Dice para que ocupamos en las páginas en blanco.
This is for reading class, not for math class. You have to pay attention to that. Okay, so first of all, I need you to solve these exercises before we start. Yes, with the new topic for today. I don't know if you can you see the board or not?
Yes.
Okay, I need you to solve this exercise first. I need you to represent, like for example, this. You have to represent as a division. This one. Yes. After that,
Mister.
tell me. Tell me what happened. And then you are going to represent these other three exercises as fractions, right? You know how to do this. I know that you know. 9 divided in 4.
These are easy, mister.
Yeah, these exercises are pretty easy.
How to do the exercise?
So yeah, you have to solve it. Why not? In your notebook.
Okay.
Hurry up. You have to represent these first three as
Finish, mister.
divisions, and then these ones you have to represent them as fractions. Yes?
I finish, mister.
Finish. Okay, let's wait for the rest. We have,
Me too, mister.
you finish all of them?
Yes.
Okay, we'll
That's
wait
it.
1 more minute to wait for the rest, right?
Okay.
Caleb and Gabriela, Sebastian, please. Come on, you have to follow the rule of the class. Why you are with your camera off? Porque están con su cámara apagada. Tienen que seguir las instrucciones. Caleb,
¿Cuál es el tema?
wait. Primero resuelvan estos ejercicios. And then we will start.
Finish.
Caleb, you have to be, you have to be with your camera on the whole time. Yes? Gabriela too.
Finish, mister.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay, may we discuss these exercises now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see, Brisa. This one, number 1. What do we have to do here, Brisa? Here, Brisa. What?
3
It is 3
divided by 5.
divided by 5. Do you have the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. Good job.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Let's see, Maria. Number 2.
Number 2. 7 divided by 4 divided on 7.
4 divided by 7 or 7 divided by 4?
4 divided by 7.
Do you have the same answer, guys? Yeah. Okay, Maria. Listen, probably the last class I clarified that we have to do, right? What we have to do. The first number that we have here will be the first number that we have. Like for example, 7. We'll start with the denominator, numerator. It will be 7. And then this line will be the sign, the division, divided, and then the denominator, right? Divided by 4. Do you have it like this, guys?
Yes, mister.
7 divided by 4.
Yes.
Maria, now are you clear with this?
Yes.
Okay, so now, Maria, as you, let's see if you understand now. Tell me the last one. How would you represent this as a division?
5 divided in 7.
So 5 divided in
7.
7. Yes, good job, guys. Excellent. So, Andrea Montserrat, tell me this one.
5 divided by 8.
5 divided by 8. Actually, we have 5 divided by 8. But you have to represent these ones as fractions.
Mr. Mike can say.
No, wait.
Mister, can
Andrea
I
said
say?
Andrea.
It's 8 over 5.
8 over 5.
No, 5 over 8.
Yes, this one will be the numerator, and this one the denominator.
Denominator.
5 over 8.
Me, mister.
Now, Gabriel.
Me, mister.
No, Gabriel. Okay, Gabriel.
9 divided by 4, the answer is 9 over 4.
9 over 4. Do you think that that is the answer?
Yes.
9 over 4?
It's 4 over 9.
No, that is 9 over 4. But what happened?
Mister, I know.
We have to become this fraction as a mixed fraction. Yes. Why? Because the numerator, it is greater than the denominator. So what do we have to do in this case? What do we have to do in this case? We have to divide, right? Yes? Like for example here, 9, 4. Yes? 9 divided by 4. So how many times 4 fixing 9? 2, right? 2. 4 times 2 is equal to
4.
4. 4 times 2 is
8.
8. Yeah. And then we subtract, right? We have 1. So this step is really important, guys. Why? Because in some occasion you get confused with what we're gonna do with these numbers. Right? So here I have a solution. As you have here already number 2, the only thing that we are gonna do is to write the numerator that we will be 1 and the denominator that we will be the same as we have, right? So, you see? So now here you have your answer. So 9 over 4, or 9 divided by 4, it is equal to say 2, 1 over 9. Yes? How do you understand now, guys? Okay, Diego Samuel, tell me the last one.
7 over 3.
7 over 3, yes. But what do we have to do now? Because you have the numerator that is greater than the denominator.
Yes. Divide, mister.
Okay, tell me. Okay, so you divide in your notebook and tell me the answer.
Divide 7
Then,
by 3.
ah,
Está bien rico el cereal.
Andrea, could you please turn off your microphone because we are in classes and you have to be paying attention to that. So now, how many times 3 fixing number 7?
2.
2, right? And 2 times 2 is equal to
6.
6. And then we subtract, and then we got number
1.
10.
And yes, 1/4.
Yes, 1/4.
1/3.
And then just write 1 in order, and then 3. So you see that this option, it is pretty easy because you don't get confused. You just try to write the numerator, that will be the reminder, and then the denominator, that we will be the what? Denominator, right? So
Yes.
this one is equal to 2, 1 over.
1, 3.
Yes. Now, do you understand, guys?
Yes.
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 So actually, guys, today's topic, it is this, right? So may I erase this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna project
Que ve la mano.
the pages that we are gonna work today, right? And the topics. So guys, now get ready with your book. With your book. You know that we're working in the second edition now. Yes. Now we're working in the second edition.
Mister may go to the bathroom.
Now you will have time later. Come on. In the second hour you will go. You will go. Yes. Okay, guys. Are you ready? Today's
Yes.
topic is 9.2. Yes. I'm gonna share with you the pages. But I need you to pay attention, right?
Mister, you write that.
What?
Saint Paul.
Yeah.
Saint Paul
Fractions and
had problems with
Mr. What page?
earphones.
it's because Gabriela had problem with her earphone, because he can listen or he can.
Mr. What page?
Ah,
Okay, so pay attention to this and please turn up your microphone.
Mr. What page?
The pages
533.
543. Yes. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. Are you in the page now?
Yes.
Are you in the page?
Yes.
Okay, so what we have here, which is the topic for today class, guys? Which is the topic?
Fractions and mixed
Fraction and mixed
numbers
number
as
as a
quotients.
quotient.
Yes, and mixed numbers as a quotient. So what do you think we have to do, guys? What do you think we have to do? If we're talking about fractions, right? Fractions, right? And it says a mixed number as a quotient. What is a quotient?
A answer of a division.
Yes, so what do we mean with this topic? That we are gonna have mixed numbers as a
Answer.
answers, right? We have to be careful with this. So now, as we know that this book tell us or show us, right, a problem at every time that we're gonna start a lesson. So we have to work with this. So I'm gonna ask to, let's listen to Kenneth. Could you please, Kenneth, read the problem and everyone will try to answer this problem.
Jonah has an 80-pound bag of potting soil. He divides it evenly among 5 flower pots. How much soil is in each pot? Choose your answer as a fraction or mixed number. Solve this problem any way you choose.
So here we have the picture, right? And it says that Jonah, right, has 8-pound bag of potting soil, right? 8 libras tiene él, ¿verdad? And he divides it evenly among 5 flower pots. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we have, let's imagine that we have the flowers here. Yes? So now, guys, the first thing that we have to do is to identify, right, which will be the numerator and which number will be the denominator. Yes?
I think the numerator is number 5 and the denominator is 8.
Are you sure about it? Remember that always, right, that denominator, listen to me, that denominator is the number of things that we are going to divide something, right? Like, for example, I got 8 libras, ¿verdad? Digamos, de semillas, ¿verdad?
No, Mr. is
¿En cuántos números voy a dividir estas 8 libras? ¿O en cuántas flores voy a dividir estas 8 libras?
in 5.
In 5, right? So, 5 will be my denominator, right?
And the numerator is 8.
Tengo que dividir, ¿verdad? Lo que tengo aquí en 5, right? So 5 will be my denominator. And 8,
And the 8 is numerator.
our numerator, right? So what we have to do now? This is the representation of this problem, right? 8/5 or 8 divided by 5. Yes? So, but which is the problem here, guys? Or which is the topic? Remember that we are using as topic, right? Mixed numbers as quotients. Yes? Are you paying attention, guys? Are you paying attention? Yes or no, right?
Yes.
So, which is the thing that we have to do?
How to divide 8 divided by 5.
Okay, 8 divided by
5.
yes. So how many times 5 fits in number 8? How many times? 3. ¿Cuántas veces el 5 cabe en el 8? Right?
1, mister.
One.
And the answer
1, and then 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Yes, and then I subtract.
se trabó.
And then 3,
5.
right? And then
Just 3.
3/5. Yes, and this is my answer. So each flower, yes, will receive 1/3/5. Yes, guys? Yes? Are you clear with this, guys? Estoy hablando solo. I'm talking along, or what
No,
happened?
Mr. Bad. Usted se trabó. Por eso no lo escuché.
Ok. Ahora, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal está la conexión ahora?
Ahora
Yes?
sí está bien.
So, each flower will receive 1/3/5. That's the answer. See, as simple as that. Yes? So, do you have questions, guys?
No.
No?
No, mister.
So, let's start working in the exercises now. Yes, but remember, guys, that we are gonna have mixed numbers as quotient when we have the numerator that is greater than the denominator, right? Yes. So let's move then. Let's move. Let's move to over the page. And then here we have, right? Here we have another exercise, right? And then we're gonna solve this one, and then we're gonna finish with the first hour, and then we're gonna connect to the second hour, right? Yes. So, Diego Amador, could you please read what we have here in the problem?
Okay. Three friends are going thinking they about at go trying
Okay, you have to,
to
first of all, Diego, you have to respect the point or the dots, right? Grammatical points, right? So, three friends are going to hike. And you stop because you have a dot there. Okay, now you may continue.
they bought at to the train meets to share equivalent.
Equal.
How much each friends get?
Okay, so three friends are going to hiking, right? They bought a tub of trail mix to share equally. This is what they bought, right? A trail mix, right? And it contains 4 pounds. Yes? And they have to divide this number into they. How many friends we are? Or how many friends we have?
3.
3. So 3 will be the numerator or the denominator, right?
Denominator.
Because it's the number of people that we're gonna divide this one, right? So we have 3 as denominator and how many
Numerator.
pounds?
4.
4 pounds, right? And the girl, the little girl that is here, is she's telling us that we have 4 divided by 3. That is equal to say, right? 4 over 3. Yes. So what we have to do now? Do we have to leave it like this or not?
No, we need to divide.
You need to divide, right? So we
A mixed number.
yes, of course. We got 4 divided
By 3.
by 3. And then how many times 3 fixed number 4? How many times, guys? 2 times?
1.
1 times, right? 1. Then 3 times 1 is equal to 3.
3 is equal to 1.
It is equal to
1.
1.
And it will be
1. You have here the mixed number, right?
Yes.
Is our answer here, and then you write just the fraction. 1, and then our numerator will be the remainder, that is will be 1, and the denominator will be the 3. So each friends will have 1 over
3.
yes. Yes, guys? Are
Yes.
you clear now? Are you clear, guys?
Yes.
Do you have questions so far, guys?
No.
No? Okay. So let's check the answer we have. And then you have to divide into 3, right? That is actually what we just did. Yes. And then we got the answer that is 1 over 3. Yes? Are we okay or not? So in order to continue, guys, because we don't have, right, more time, and it is time to finish the first hour of class. So we will stop here with this hour, and we will, okay, wait, here we have.